Okay, the next technical indicator that I'm about to share with you in this course is the Parabolic SAR. SAR here stands for stop and reverse. Similar to the moving averages, this indicator can tell you whether a coin is in an uptrend or downtrend, and it can give you an instant signal on whether the trend will reverse. This information is extremely helpful because it shows you exactly when to buy and when to sell your coin. The Parabolic SAR is composed of a series of dots, either above or below the price. During an uptrend, you'll find that the dots appear below the price, and when there's a downtrend, you'll find that the dots appear above the price. The first thing you'll need to keep in mind when using this indicator is don't use this indicator alone. You must use it with other technical indicators, like the exponential moving average. That's because the Parabolic SAR generates the best signals during a trending market. But when the market is consolidating, it would likely generate a lot of false signals that can get you in trouble. Here's what the Parabolic SAR indicator looks like. As you can see, the Parabolic SAR indicator is a series of dots placed either above or below the price. When the dots are below the price candles, this means we're in an uptrend. And vice versa, when the dots are above the candles, we're in a downtrend. So how can we use this indicator to determine market trends? The nicest thing about the Parabolic SAR is that it's very easy to use. By looking at the dots, you can instantly know the overall market trends. Basically, when the dots are below the candles or price bars, we're in an uptrend. When the dots move from above to below the candles, it's a buy signal. And when the dots are above the candles, we're in a downtrend. When the dots move from below to above the candles, it's time to sell your coin. Simple, right? Yeah, I thought so. This is probably the easiest technical indicator to use. But you should keep in mind that this indicator works much better in markets that are trending and that have long rallies and downturns. To avoid false signals, you should always use this indicator with another trend-following indicator. The best thing is that this indicator works perfectly well with the moving average crossover strategy you've learned in the previous lessons. Using the EMA crossover and the Parabolic SAR together will give you more confidence when analyzing the market trend. Why? Because if the EMA crossover strategy shows an uptrend signal, the Parabolic SAR should also show the same signal. So in summary, we'll buy a coin when the dots move from above to below the candles, and when the moving averages show an uptrend signal. And on the other hand, we'll consider selling our coin when the dots move from below to above the candles, and when the moving averages show a downtrend signal. Okay, now let's learn how to set up the Parabolic SAR indicator in your trading tool. Setting up the Parabolic SAR indicator is very simple. You simply click on Indicators, click on the search box, and type Parabolic. As you can see, we have the Parabolic SAR here. Simply click on it to add this indicator to the chart. Now click on the Gear button. We'll use the default configuration. You can click on the Style tab to change the dot's color. We'll change the color to green. You can increase the size of the dots here. Then change the dot style to circles. After you do, you'll see the screen here. We have the dots above and below the price candles, which tell us the overall market trends. In the next lecture, we'll dive into many examples so you can understand clearly how to use this indicator.